that. We did that in a few minutes. That's just to get things started. What's going on, world? We are back at the Sunshine State Garden, and I just wanted y'all to take a look at this mess back here. We got to clean up, along with the kids' stuff. Get these plants all together, do something with them, make this area more plant friendly and kid friendly. Actually, may put some of the stuff right here. Now that I'm looking, we got all this rock stuff right here. Something out here with all this dirt, but then again, I don't want to put it where the dirt at, because these pots that got these plastic pots, they may grow in the actual ground, but we'll see. But we got a lot of stuff to move around. You see this stuff. Got to get all this organized. Oh, just show y'all these tomatoes real quick. Put some water on them. But the day before we start doing this cleaning and stuff, we got a lot to do. All right, y'all, we're about to get things started. Put all the plants that we can on the scooter so we can move it around a lot easier. And I brought one of our dirty blankets out here. We're gonna use as a let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this blanket and we're gonna lay it out here where you see all these rocks and stuff. That way we can have like a nice place to sit. A lot of dirt won't kick up. And as you see stuff under here, it may be frogs and snakes underneath there. So at least with the carpet, we'll be able to gauge things a lot better. And then of course we want to clear off that spot, the concrete, so the kids still have playing area. And then we can use this area for the plants so they can still get the full sun. But that's why I'm gonna leave the blanket, because at least with the blanket, the grass won't grow in between the pots. So it's save me a job from cutting grass and stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do this. We're gonna have the carpet laid out right here. Put those pots over here. We're gonna have this space open for the kids and still have this space taken up for the plants. Because you see it ain't no grass growing here anyways. But at least with that cover, we can cover everything up so this crabgrass won't grow up. And it'll give us room to actually see things if there's any animals in the garden. You know, tomatoes, a lot of these plants, they may bring different types of snakes, animals. So at least with that blanket, you know, we can actually see things versus trying to look in between things. All right, so that's what we're about to get to now. To move these plants to get things started. All right, let's get these on up here. Move these on over. Make some room. Clean all this area out. All right, we're just moving this stuff all out. These are baby beets. You think they're dead, but we'll see. Hopefully they come back alive. It's the lavender. All right. These pots we can reuse. So just put them in there for now. All this stuff we can reuse. The kids' toys can go. These they rocks, so I'm keeping their rocks. Okay, let's move this box. Now we gotta watch out because there may be some stuff running over here because we haven't moved this stuff in a while. All right, let's move this over. Get this. Yeah. All right, now I'm finna sweep this off and then move that big pot over, make us some other room. All right, y'all, we about to move this pot. Hopefully we ain't got nothing under here, but just y'all pray for me. Ready? Ready, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Heavy. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Did that come out?
Nope.
None?
Yeah, I didn't see anything.
Nothing?
Nope, just a bunch of roots.
Huh?
Just a bunch of roots.
Nothing?
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope, my tomato falling over.
Alright, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and move this stuff out the way. We gotta check here, make sure nothing in here. You don't want this around your plants and stuff. There's snakes and stuff can hide in here. All type of animals. So we're finna get this stuff out of here. Move this and you know, make it better for the kids to play, especially since we got our garden. We expect all types of animals to be back here, so we want to make it as safe as possible. All right, so let's move this stuff. We gotta check, nothing here. All right, let's move this rose bush out the way. Back up, I don't want nothing to jump up at you. So I do expect something to jump out. Hopefully it don't, but always prepare for the worst in the garden. You always have your hoe by you. Oh, not talking about the wifey. This is my hoe for right now. Always have your hoe or a gardening tool or something by you, so you can knock something out if you need to. See all this roots we digging out? Oh, damn, them bitches in there. Get all this out of here. All right. That looks good. I mean, you can get a weed eater, but whoa! What was that?
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh, okay, it was a frog. See what
Oh,
I'm
I don't like frogs, so.
See what I'm saying? I thought that was a big snake just popped out. Let's get these out the way.
Oh my God, that
see
was a
some?
big frog. No, the frog is scaring me. I'm sorry, I'm still scared of the frog.
All right, let's get all this out the way. Oh, something else may jump out. Okay. Oh, that was a workout right there. All right, clear this out, and that's why you clear that stuff out. Oh, get all this. Oh, get all that out of there. Oh, you see that worm?
Mm-hmm.
You see that worm? All right, I'm gonna move the rest of this. This is a pretty little flower, but got to go. Oh, there go another frog in there. You see it? All right, let me get this last little bit over here. All right. All right. All right, we're good up here. Oh, shit. All right. Whew. Got that all out the way. Damn, I should have seen where that frog went to.
Oh, I saw where it went.
Make sure
I don't like those things.
How you think that look? Look safe for us? All right. All right, we got step one complete. All right, next. Now we can lay this carpet down over here and put these pots on the carpet so we can try to stop what just happened. I know y'all see that frog still in there. We're gonna get it up out of there. It's gonna get out on its own. Come on, get out. There you go. Go the other way. Oh shoot. It'll be all right. We just gotta make it run this way. All right, we got the hard part out. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay this carpet out. Blanket out down here so we can cover this stuff up. get things started. Y'all see we got everything on one little mat, all in the sun. It's away from the concrete so the kids can play. And we still got room to water everything, keep it away from the actual concrete, so we don't have to worry about snakes and stuff. So we're gonna finish this up. I'm gonna clean this all up. But this is the start right here. This is how we're gonna have it. Everything in the sun and away from the concrete. I'm gonna clean that up, make it better for the kids. There's everything right here. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I don't know, we may try to post one later, but we'll see because it's hot right now. We gotta take a little break. All right, y'all stay tuned, subscribe and like. We'll see you next time.